This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Get your Azure subscription, resource group, and the Horrific Intercept CLI installed. Once you have Azure CLI 2, 40 and Horrific Intercept v2. 1. Create a service principal and note app ID, tenant ID, and secret so you can automate auth. Run the init command now to register the Latch resource. This sets the deployment template and permissions. Make sure to use the intended region to avoid latency. Once done, the tool will emit a resource ID you'll reuse in step 2. You now configure the Latch settings in the provided YAML. Set the operational mode, throttle range like 0, 5 to 2, 0, and endpoint URLs, then inject secrets securely. Once configured, assign role bindings to the Latch managed identity, reader for telemetry and contributor for target resources. Run a dry run deploy to validate templates and outputs. Examine logs for mismatches. When the dry run matches your expectations, execute the real deploy with confirm. This will provision components, and you finish by validating the Latch. Run smoke tests against known endpoints and check telemetry for expected intercepts, making sure the Latch state shows active. If anything failed, use the saved resource ID and run Horrific Intercept rollback version X to revert to the prior stable state quickly. Make sure to inspect role assignments and network security group rules, because most connection failures are permission or port restrictions. If logs show authentication errors, rotate the service principal secret and reauthorize. Then retest to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.